You think you own a cat. That is adorable. The truth is messier. Cats domesticated humans, not the other way around. They walked into our lives, picked the warmest spot, and never left. Rewind about 10,000 years. Humans in the Fertile Crescent stopped chasing wild grain. They settle down, plant wheat, and build the first villages. For the first time, food sits still in one place. Stored grain is a treasure, but it has a small problem. Mice. Lots of mice. Where there is wheat in a jar, there are rodents in the walls, eating profits and spreading disease. Enter the African wildcat. Small, striped, mostly nocturnal, and very interested in mice. It does not need an invitation. The villages are basically an all-you-can-eat buffet with free shelter included. Most wild animals run from humans, but a few wildcats were braver, or just hungrier. They tolerated the noise, the smoke, and the strange two-legged creatures. In exchange, they got endless rodents. Notice what is missing here. No human captured a wildcat. No human bred it in a pen. No human dragged it home on a rope. The cat made the choice. The cat walked in. Compare this with the dog. Wolves were tamed by humans through generations of selective breeding. We picked the friendly ones, fed them, and shaped them into pugs and poodles. Dogs are a human project. Cats are different. Geneticists studied house cat DNA and found it barely changed from the wildcat. The cat that sleeps on your keyboard is almost the same animal that prowled ancient grain silos. Most domesticated animals lost something. Cows got smaller brains. Dogs lost predator skills. Chickens forgot how to fly well. Cats kept everything. Same hunting instinct, same claws, same indifference to authority. Now think about who actually changed. Humans rearranged their homes for cats. We built doorways for them. We bought boxes, towers, and beds. We learned to clean a litter tray. Who trained who? Cats also hacked our biology. That meow you hear all day is not a natural cat sound. Adult wildcats almost never meow at each other. House cats invented the meow specifically to talk to humans. Researchers found something stranger. Cats can tune their purr to mimic a human baby's cry, the same frequency that makes a parent jump out of bed. The cat asks for breakfast in a voice your brain cannot ignore. Their faces evolved too. Big round eyes, a small nose, a flat forehead. These are the exact features that trigger the human caregiving response. Cats look like permanent kittens to us, on purpose. Ancient Egypt is where this partnership went fully public. Cats guarded grain stores along the Nile. In return, Egyptians treated them like minor gods. Killing a cat was a serious crime, even by accident. Egyptians mummified cats by the millions. Archaeologists have found entire cat cemeteries. Think about that. A species that we supposedly tamed ended up wrapped in linen, blessed by priests, and buried with honors. From Egypt, cats hitchhiked. They climbed onto trading ships and rode along the Mediterranean. Sailors loved them because they protected rope and rations from rats. The cats got a free world tour. Within a few centuries, cats reached every continent except Antarctica. No leash, no cage, no paperwork. They simply chose human transport and human food, then spread everywhere humans went.